Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to walk through how to customize your CSV export when you are using our Universal CSV connection with Ramp. Once you log into your Ramp account, you're going to navigate over to your Accounting tab on the left-hand panel. Once you're there, you're going to click on Settings on the right-hand top corner, and then you're going to click on CSV Customization. Here, you have the option to upload your own CSV, where you can have Ramp mimic the fields, or you can use our default export, which will show here, and you do have the option to choose your journal format. You can choose between 2 rows per expense, one for debit, one for credit, or you can do 1 row per expense where it shows the refunds as a negative as well. If you ever want to reset it to default template, you can simply just click on reset here. Now if we scroll down, you'll see the column name and you'll see the content type. Column name will typically be what this column will show, and then content type will be the match to that column name. For example, this first line that we have here, the expense amount will show the amount spent, and if you ever are wondering what this field exactly is and what it'll show, if you hover next to an I, next to it, it'll tell you. Even if you click in the drop down, it'll tell you when you hover over the I. You'll also notice that this drop down has quite a few fields that you can match to, so you could always type to search, and you could also scroll through. Now, let's say that you have a field where it has a fixed value that does not change. You could simply click on set a fixed value like this, and you can type in something like Ramp. A lot of customers will do that with the vendor column. So we could X out this, and of course you could delete any columns that are unnecessary, and you can move them up and down using these dots here. Now all the way in the bottom, you can also add another row, and you can add your own custom column here, and then you would match it to a Ramp value listed here. Now once you've completed this process, you'll want to save this, and you could always come back and make any edits here as well. Now you are ready to customize your CSV export format and export your transactions with ease.